Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready. Confirm the screen shows numbers and you've finished any calculations. Locate the colored second key near the top left and the on key at the bottom right. The OFF function is printed above on. Once you've checked those, press and release the second key, then press on immediately. You're doing this to invoke the secondary OFF command. It tells the calculator to enter its low power state instead of waiting for the automatic timeout. Press second, then press on once. You'll see the screen go blank if the shutdown succeeded. Make sure no blinking cursor or segments remain visible. Complete blank means the processor is sleeping. If the display doesn't clear, press and hold on for about 2 seconds to force a state change. This sometimes closes lingering processes. Once done, wait a few seconds and tap any key briefly to confirm it stays off. If it powers on, move to the deeper reset options. To finish, slide the protective cover back on and place the calculator in your bag to prevent accidental presses. Remember, the Ti-30xs will auto-off after a few minutes to save battery. Manual off is faster and prevents stray input. If the unit refuses to power down, remove the small rear battery compartment cover and take out the battery for about 10 seconds, then reinsert it. This hardware reset clears stuck states. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.